Understanding the phrase, hip joint. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the phrase, hip joint. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in your everyday conversations. First, let's break down the phrase, hip. The word, hip, refers to the area on each side of the human body below the waist and above the thigh. It's the region where our legs attach to our torso. Joint. A joint, in general, refers to a point where two or more parts are connected. In the context of the human body, a joint is where two bones meet. So, when you put these words together, hip joint refers to the place where the thigh bone, or femur, connects to the pelvis. The hip joint is one of the most important joints in our body. Why? Because it 1. Supports our body weight when we stand or walk. 2. Allows us to move our legs in different directions. 3. Provides stability and balance. Without a functioning hip joint, tasks like walking, running, or even sitting would be challenging. To help you remember and use this phrase, here are some example sentences. 1. My grandmother had surgery on her hip joint last year. 2. Football players often undergo rigorous training to strengthen their hip joints. 3. A well-functioning hip joint is crucial for dancers. And there you have it. Now you know what the hip joint is and its significance in our daily lives. Remember, English is filled with such interesting phrases, and understanding each one only makes you a better speaker. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay curious, and happy learning!